Hi, my name's Neil Farrelly. I'm British. I've lived and worked in Asia for the last 25 years, and I'm a writer, director, workshop leader, project developer. My workshop, short and sweet. The group ensemble decides everything with me. The group ensemble chooses a few lines of a script. We then work on that script over the day, an evening and a day, doing as many different theatre styles as possible, using as many different concepts as possible, and put the show together on the same evening. Who's it for? It's for artists who want a challenge. They want to challenge themselves, they want to challenge me, they want to challenge the process itself, and they want the challenge of a live audience at the end of that process. And why come? Why come? Because the show's been done a lot. It always works. It's a rush. It's fast. It's called the Fast Show. And every artist I've ever worked with wants that challenge of showing their skill set to a live audience at the end of doing something. I wish you well. I'll see you soon. Best of luck. Bye.